Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Toll Brothers, one of their community in Skye Canyon, and we are going to feature in this video the model home. They're selling their model homes, which is the Clavel Spanish Contemporary. It's priced at $1,049,995. Is 2164 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 baths, and 3 car garage. And I cannot wait to show you guys this is the home that we are going to feature. So welcome to the Clavel collection. As you see here at the front, there is a lockbox for your package. Right here on this side, a video doorbell. Everything that you see here is included in this price. A smart deadlock bolt. And welcome to the Clavel. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice open area. Far ahead, it's getting better. Very nice. Right here by the front door. As soon as you get in, you will see the first bedroom. This is very nice. Also, the furniture that inside this room are included, including the lighting. Standard closet over here in this room. And right next to it is a bathroom. Love this bathroom, love the tiling, single sink vanity. And it's getting better, you guys. Right on this side, this is a home office. Very neat. Again, everything that you see here, including the furnitures, are included in the price. And now let's go check on the left side. Right here is a coat closet. This side right here is your laundry area. Washer and dryer is included with the price. And right here is your 3 car garage with the tankless water heater and everything that you see here is included, but not the water. And on this side, there's another bedroom right here. All the furniture is included. There is a standard closet. In this room, there is a bathroom. Love the tiling. Single sink vanity. Now let's go check your open layout area. First, the living room. The fireplace is included, and also all the furnitures that you see here are included. This is your modern kitchen over here. Love the color palette, brown and beige. All the stainless steel appliances is also included in the price. They have the KitchenAid stainless steel refrigerator included. And And right on this side, this is your walk-in pantry. Right here, KitchenAid microwave, the oven, hood. I love this island in the middle. It's very modern with a stainless steel sink. Right on this side, this is your dining area. This furniture is also included, as well as the fixtures. And on this side right here, I'm about to show you guys the primary bedroom. It's very nice. Everything that you see, furnitures, fixtures are included, with the price of $1,049,995. And now I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Dual sink vanity here. Love that lighting. Right here is your stand-up shower. Here. It's nice. And this side right here, this is your private water closet. This is your walk-in closet right here. Again, this is the model home, the Clavel, and they are selling their model homes for $1,049,995. And right outside your bedroom, you can see your backyard and your swimming pool, you guys. Unfortunately, I cannot go outside. This is locked for safety purposes, but this is a nice area for entertaining. And I cannot see it from here, but there is a built-in barbecue area. Let me go to the other side and see if I can show you guys. Right side, right outside your living room, you can see this covered patio with your built-in barbecue. Isn't this nice? This is included with the price, you guys. Again, they are selling this model home. From here, you will see the whole open layout area. Again, if you guys are interested in owning this model home, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have any questions, send me a text or an email. You can check it on my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, and like my video. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.